So in this scenario,
Mm-hmm.
like setup support, right?
Mm.
So if we say support, what does
Mm-hmm.
it mean?
Like some support we are giving to the customer.
So let's take an example of mobile phone only.
Okay.
So
Like.
for support, like when let's say you bought phone and it's like warranty for 1 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you go to the service center.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Some kind of
that comes under
support.
services, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And support, like if you need any help in the installation of apps, like you need some guidance like how we can use this, so some support team will call you and connect with you, like, and guide you like how you can install this app and everything. But this is
Mm.
not particularly in the mobile industry, but if you
Mm.
go to the other industries like in the corporate as well, like you saw the support systems as well, right?
Okay.
So you need to create a ticket for that to install some applications as well. So
Mm.
these are this, and consumables items are like I say like other than that, other than something like which you bought, like something you bought a TV. So what does consumable items will be included in this scenario? That is like nut bolt hanging. You want to drill the wall and want to hang that
Oh.
TV. So in this
Mm.
item, what you need like nut and bolts for hanging that. So that is called as consumables items, right?
Mm.
Some it's not always fix here what you see, right? So all
Mm.
the time it will changes on the business basis, like someone
Mm.
said that no, I want this is always be variable, so don't rely on this only. It will be a lots of type, and you have to understand overall basis like what does the business asking for, like is this a only hardware product, software support, or consumable items. So consumable items mostly comes under hardware as well, but we
Mm.
consider it as a consumables. If business wants like no, I want to see that product label as an consumable, so in this scenario you used to select the consumables,
Consume.
nothing
Okay.
more than that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now so yesterday uh, create product, right?
Yeah. We created a product. Is.
Create product.
So we added those products in code.
Yes, a simple scenario was
Mm.
that. So create product, add it to code line. Okay.
Mm.
So now I want to create one more product, and that product is hardware as well. Like you bought one laptop, and that is uh, uh, charger is with it, right? So let's say you bought a phone, so you will get a charger with it as well.
Yes.
So now let's create one more product with the name charger. Charger. Okay. So it will also only a hardware, and pricing method will be list, and quantity percent of total that will be list, quantity readable, and default quantity should be one, because one phone will have only one charger, right?
That's it.
And one more. And here you can see this is a hardware product, so we are not selecting fixed pricing here. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So and for this product to be visible on the code, we have to create a price book entries for that,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Without price book entry, that product was not visible on the code. I saw
Okay.
that yesterday, right?
Yes. Yes.
So now what I will do, I will create, let's say charger is for uh, 1500, right? Sorry, 800. Okay.
Oh. Mm.
It is not currently if you bought any phone, but
Mm.
you saw that charger is not free with it, right?
Yeah.
So
Sometimes you only charge it.
hmm. So I will make it as a 800. Now I want to create one more product for that, and that will be cable
Oh,
adapter. Sorry, adapter and cable was there. So charger, let's say charger is an adapter, and this is a cable, and cable is free of cost, right?
yeah. So this charger will come under cable will come under charger, right? Sub product.
So this is what I am going to teach you in this session today. Okay. So initially what I did, one charger, one phone will have only one cable. So I will make it as a one and click on save. And let's say some person only wants to buy this cable. So in this scenario, what will be the price? Let's say 250. Okay.
Okay.
So I will make it as a 250. Click on save. So now it is better to write it as an adapter. Okay.
Mm.
Oh, so now how many products are there right now? Security patch, cable, adapter, phone. And
Mm.
now, is there any other thing which I can add?
Mm.
Let's say I am a partner of OTT platform, right?
You can add power bank also if needed.
Okay, and that will be an optional product, not as a
Yes.
mandatory product. Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
uh, power bank. Okay,
Mhm.
EB01 product family. That is a hardware product. Click on save. You have to only check this if it is hardware. It must be quantity editable, default quantity according to your own business logics. Like some has only one, and asset
Mhm.
conversion should be one per port line, and asset amendment behavior should be default. Okay.
Okay.
So power bank should have some pricing. So let's say price is 2000. Okay.
Okay.
So now power bank is added. So one more software product. So now I'm going to add, that is known as OTT. Let's say Samsung is a partner of OTT platform like Netflix and Amazon Prime, right?
Yes.
So let's take an example. Like Samsung is a partner of Netflix and Amazon Prime right now,
Mm.
as of
Mm.
right. So
Yes.
what he is doing right in their business, he is providing free subscriptions for 1 year of Netflix and Amazon Prime. So Netflix
Mhm.
NF01. Okay. And this time what I will select product family as currently software, and pricing method should be list, and subscription pricing will be fixed price. Okay.
Okay.
And and he is providing subscriptions for 1 year, so I will write term as a 12.
12
Okay.
months.
And now if I go to quantity editable and everything, so now I will click on save. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's say Netflix is costing us $1,600 per year. So I will add pricing of 1600. And let's say Amazon Prime is costing you, if some persons buy individually this product, then this is the pricing. Okay.
Okay.
And if someone buy a phone, then this will be free of cost. So I will configure that in the later session. So
Okay.
now let's go to the Amazon Prime. Okay. And its pricing should be let's say 1,000 per year. Okay.
Okay.
So now, if I go to the quote line, you can see all product will cost you different individually. If you select that all products, it will show you the same pricing which you have entered there. So edit line, okay. So now you can see all products are here. So security patch is only one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now
Okay. Everything was
remove
added.
discount. We can see all the pricings here, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me like what is the difference you are noticing here in the pricing?
Um, like we have some discount based on the adapter and also some.
No, I have removed the discounts from here.
Okay.
So now I'm going to open this product security patch.
Mm-hmm.
You can see we have selected one quantity, right?
Yes.
And in the price book entry we have entered 20.
20. Yes.
Then why it is coming as 4 here?
Or okay. Because Samsung, we added Samsung. That's why.
No, all are standalone product. It does currently does not has any relations with
Then
anything.
okay.
So why this pricing is seems like this only $4, but its list price is for $20.
Hmm.
So
No idea.
no idea. So okay, that's why I'm here. So you can see security patch product, right?
Okay.
If you go to the related list, the list price is same as of price book. So you can
Oh,
see, okay, so it is $100, and I think pricing is editable. So first of all, I need to make this editable field as a false. Okay.
okay.
Now, if I calculate this, we need to add that product again. So now tell me the difference. Security patch, I am adding this product.
Mhm.
So now you can see the list price is 100,
Yes.
but it will not show you 100 here. Why?
It's showing 20.
Because if you notice here, you can see term as a 12, right?
Okay, here it's
It
only years.
it is costing you only for 1 year. And if you
Oh,
open the product, you can see term is written as 60,
okay,
which
okay.
means it is the $100 is costing you for 5 years, not for 1 year.
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday you
So
said
if
about
you divide that by 5, you will get a 20, right?
20. Okay, yeah.
So this is the simple calculation here. So
Mhm.
now what I'm going to do is I'm creating a bundle product. How in this session you will get to know like how do we create a bundle product. So this is the main product here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now if you go to the related list, you will see options here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what does its optional SKU? You can see if you click on create a new button, you will see all the fields here. What are these fields and how do we use this? So this is known as a configured SKU, which
Mm-hmm.
means like on which product you are configuring that options. Like in you are creating a bundle product here, right?
Mm.
Bundle means a wrapping of multiple products, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
So here you can see optional SKU. SKU, the full form of SKU is stock keeping unit.
Stock.
Stock keeping unit.
Okay.
Okay. So currently, I want, let's say, this is a product. So under this, I want to add a security patch right now, and in which sequence it will show? It will show you the first. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And do you want it as an selected? You will have to mark this checkbox as true, and it is required because it is free of cost. So it must be required, and type will be component. Like what does this type field value mean? Type field is like a calculations. A component, if we select, let's say, first of all I will configure this, then I will explain. Let's say type is a field in which you will select a quantity, right? So what
Mm-hmm.
happens when you select a component and try to configure this product S24 Ultra? If you select this as a equals to 2 here, so what will happen? All the bundle product inside that having type is equals to component will automatically updated by the quantity equals to 2, right? And
Oh,
if select accessories, what does accessories do is if you select a quantity of S22 Ultra, let's say phone, you want to buy 100 phones, and let's say security patch, in the security patch if we select accessories, what will happen is it will be the independent from the bundle product. The quantity of that bundle product will be independent of the parent product. Okay.
okay.
So for this scenario, I will select as a component, because if you buy one phone, you will get a one security patch, and quantity should be one. This is the default quantity which you want to set here.
Mm-hmm.
And in this scenario, you don't want to let, in the business scenario, what happens generally is you don't let the business salesperson can update the bundle product quantity. So in this scenario, you will not make the quantity editable, right? And you can select like minimum and maximum quantity. After that, you cannot able to select that product.
Mm-hmm.
And this is like my own field. This is like created field, so it's no need, like this is for particular bundle, it is created. So quote
Mm-hmm.
line visibility will be editors only. It will select on the quote line, so I will select editors only. And if it is always like every time if you want to configure, you will see that. Okay.
Okay.
So for this scenario, let's say I select always. Minimum should be 1 and maximum quantity I'm setting at 1. Okay. So you have to at least select 1 and you cannot select more than one quantity. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And these all are like bundle parts. So some, if you uh, go through the trailhead, you will get to know like what these fields, why they are created. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the main field which is known as bundled. What does
Hmm.
this use? What is the use of this? So in this scenario, what is happening? We are selling it for free of cost, right?
Okay.
So if it is free of cost, it which means it is a bundled product. Okay,
Oh,
if you select bundled, it will cost you $0 here. Like
okay.
once you select this product, the security patch will show you here like bundled, and it will cost you $0.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
so I selected it for as a bundle, and you can see this is a unit price, which means let's say you have selected you are adding a product security patch, but if it is not free of cost, you want to set different pricing here. You can select, you can enter pricing of 20, 30, whatever you want, and you want to apply some discount, you can implement discount here, like in a percent or in a amount as well. Okay.
Okay.
And after that I will proceed to the discount schedule. I will do it in a later session. Discount schedule and block pricing will be covered in the single session. Okay.
Okay.
So now I will click on save here, because once I selected bundle, it will cost me 0.
Okay.
Now I want to add other products as well. It will in the sequence it will be 2. And what will be that? Let's say I'm selling security patch was there, Netflix, power, no, cable. Okay. So cable is also free of cost. You see that inside that cable is already added. So
Oh,
selected, required quantity should be 1, minimum should be 1, maximum should be 1. And we are not giving anyone to edit the quantity here.
yes.
And it is,
If we give two or three, will the price increase? Because with the product we are giving cable as a free.
mm-hmm.
So
Can you repeat that?
if we increase the quantity, will the price increase? Like now it's zero, right? The value.
Oh, okay. So if you select quantity here like equals to 2, right? You want to
Mm,
say that?
yeah.
But yes, it will cost you like, what is the initial price? Let's say it was of $250, right?
Hmm.
So it will
That will.
cost you 500.
Oh, okay. But initially it's zero. As per Samsung, the value is zero, right? Hardware.
Yes, once we select bundle, then it will cost you 0. Otherwise, it
Oh,
will cost you whatever the quantity you have written here, and what
yeah.
is the
Value.
pricing you have implemented here. That is, where is the cable? It will cost you $250.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now component. I will select it as a bundle. So whatever quantity you are at, if I select a bundle equals to true here, and if let's say I selected quantity equals to 100 or 20 or 2, it doesn't matter. It will always cost you $0.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So now I will click on save. Cable is free of cost and adapter is not free of cost as of now, right?
Yes.
So I will add adapter. So it is number 3, and I am selling it forcefully that let's say some person buying a phone, he has to buy charger, cable as well, adapter as well.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm not giving it as a free of cost.
Okay.
Okay, so in this scenario, if you write one or two, currently it is of no use in this scenario. But in the later scenario, once we go through the features, it will be in use. Okay, so bundled equals to nothing we need to select here. So now I will click on save. Now, how many products was there? Security. Amazon
Correct.
Prime, Netflix. So
Mm.
Amazon Prime is a subscription product.
Yes.
4. I will make it as unselected and required because if someone wants to buy that product, he or she can buy that product. It is free of cost and so it is required. Okay,
Mm. Yes.
quantity is 1, type is component, and since I'm selling it free of cost, so I will select it as a bundled and I will click it on a save. Same for Netflix. Netflix number would be 5, and make sure that this must be unique.
Okay.
Mm,
Number.
okay,
Mm.
it is the index value, like displaying order options, like on the sequence. If you select that product, what is the sequence of that?
Okay.
And type is component. Since I'm selling it free of cost, so I have to select bundled here. So we did one mistake here. Like let's say some person wants doesn't want to buy adapter. So what he will do? He has to forcefully buy it. But I don't want a person to buy it forcefully. If he wants to buy, he can buy. If he don't want, he don't. So
Then we
in this,
can take it required. Yeah.
yes, we need to mark this checkbox as
I'll
a
check.
false.
Yeah, we can check that.
And same for the power bank as well.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
power bank number like 6, selected but not required. Okay,
Mhm.
and it is independent, like some person wants to buy 1, 2, 3, he or she can select and edit the quantity itself.
Mhm.
So in this scenario, what I will do is I will make it type as an accessories and I will make quantity editable as
Okay.
right. And since it is not free of cost, so I will not select bundle equals to true here. And now I'm save this product. So now you can see my bundle product is ready.
Mm.
So will it work or not? Did I miss something here? So let's do one thing. First of all, delete all the products from the code line. And now if you select this product, you can see here all the fields, power bank, everything, the quantity is not editable. Why?
Because we didn't check the field.
We did.
It's required. It's required.
No, it's also not required. You can see here, power bank is not required. It is selected, but it is not required.
Mhm.
And in the, if we say you want to, you are a CPQ developer, so you will see this page is known as a quote line page. Okay,
Okay.
but if you want to configure the product, you have to open a configurator page as well. And if you saw that I select the product from here, it directly pull me into the quote line page, not into the configurator page. So what I was missing, if you saw you this is the configurator page actually. You see, this is known as a configurator page.
Okay.
Okay, now here you can see quantity is editable, quantity is editable, quantity is not editable, quantity is not editable, quantity is not editable, not editable, right?
Hmm.
And why this page doesn't pop up when I selected that product? This is because this is a parent product and
Okay.
the bundle is known as a child product.
Yes.
Okay, so if I go to the parent product, we have a field here which we need to configure. So you see configuration type.
Hmm.
So you always need to select allowed and event should be always, which means whenever person wants to, whenever some users selected that product and again go to the reconfigurator page, so what happens is it will show you again to select the quantity and everything, then it will move to the quote line page. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
but if you select it as add edit something here, so what
Hmm.
happens it, like if you want to add, when you add product for the first time, right,
Okay.
then it will show you the configurator page.
Hmm.
It will not show you one when you try to edit that product. Edit means
Okay.
if you let's say selected initial quantity is 2, if you want to select that as a 4, it will not reflect you the same.
Hmm.
Okay, and in
Okay.
the edit section it is same. So what I did is allowed and always. Now I will save this product, and again now you can see we have deleted this product, and I will do here, I will click on search product like S24 Ultra. Now I'm going to select that product. You can see now this page pop-ups. Earlier it
Hmm.
was not populating.
Okay.
So now you can see this is a phone, and you will not able to deselect that product. It is already you have to buy. It is free of cost as well. Cable adapter is like if you want to buy this, you can. If you don't, you can deselect that product as well. So
Hmm.
let's say I don't want this product. Okay,
Okay.
and let's say I am planning to buy two power bank, not only one, because one I want to buy for my small sister or my brother, so I selected it as a two. Okay,
Okay.
so now you saw the work scenario of this,
Hmm.
like what we configured in the option, like power bank we have selected it
Yeah.
as an optional. Oh, if you click this as a selected, what does it means? On the code level, it will automatically mark the checkbox as a true, which means it is already selected. If we
Okay.
mark this checkbox as a false, it will pop up like this. You may select, you may not.
Okay.
Okay. So here is you have to deselect that product if you don't want to buy, what I did here, right?
Okay.
So now if I click on save, you can see the product S22 Ultra is like 5,000. Okay,
Okay.
and security patch is free of cost, so it is costing you $0. Cable is free of cost, it is costing you, net total
Zero.
is $0. Amazon Prime $0, Netflix $0, and power bank 2000, because list price is 2000, so the net total will be 4000. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the use of product option, how you bundle the product. Okay,
Mm.
so more of the customizations will be on the this part, like from here, from the configurator page to the port line page. All the scenarios, 90% scenarios in the CPQ is on the basis of this only. Like from the configurator page, what are you selecting, what are you deselecting, how you select the product, how quantity are changing, how we can implement price rule, how we can implement product rule, and everything.
Okay, okay. Yeah, got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
So I hope this is clear to you,
Yeah, I got it.
and try to create replicate the same scenario in your personal org as well.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it.
And one more thing, do you have any questions in this?
No, it's clear to me now, as of now. At last you said about like it's gray out, right? One was we are not able to select. You said the reason. What was the reason?
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, like if we edit this, we are not
Which
able to select few things. It was gray out. The security
okay, in
panel.
the configurator page. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Why? You said something.
Why it is showing gray and we cannot deselect, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
in the options you can see here we mark this checkbox as a selected.
Okay. Okay.
So this selected checkbox product option should automatically be selected by default,
Okay.
which means if you select the parent product S24 Ultra, if you search that on a code line, it will show with an options here with all the products implemented here, and it will be selected. And
Okay.
if I show you with the power bank, it is not selected as well. So if I go to the power bank, you can see it is selected only, but not required. If it is
Okay.
not required, then you can deselect that product or either select that product. It is upon the users.
Okay.
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 If you mark the checkbox as a selected and required, then it will be like
Great.
gray.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, got it.
So now I want to. This is a little messy. It seems like little messy, right? All products comes under only one section, and the name is like very other things like other options. I want to improvise this like on the hardware and on the basis of software, and some other product which is known as an optional products, like power bank is optional and adapter is an optional product, right?
Option.
So I want to configure that as well. So in this scenario, what I will do is I will create a features. What
Okay.
will be the features name? I will select as a software.
Mhm.
Okay. Number one, in this scenario, how many softwares are there? So let's say maximum I will not going to put here, because how many products are there? Okay, so let it be. Like minimum and maximum is if you select maximum is equals to 1, right, in the features. So in
Mhm.
this scenario, what will happen if you select any two product having the same features, then it will throw an error. So I will
Okay.
explain that as well. Currently, I'm not going to fill any value, but you always
Mm.
have to fill the minimum value how much. So software,
Okay.
I will select as a one. Option selection method, like how you want to add that product, determines how users should select and attach to this product. Like click method presents an option with a checkbox, and then next to the add renders to the button, which brings like dynamic rendering. So in this scenario, what you will do is you will select as a click,
Okay.
and it comes under category. I will not select any category here, because this is what I created, like solar essentials and upsells. So I will click on save. Now I want to create one another which is known as hardware,
Okay.
right? I will make it a number 2. Option selection method, click, and I will click on save. Now I want to create one other. What is what will be the name of that? Uh, Other essentials. Let's say I will essentials.
Okay.
Okay, that is fine.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
So let it be number 3, and option selection method will be click. And now click on save. So now you can see the we have created a feature. So
Mm.
you are wondering what is the use of features. So to use these features, if you created this and if you try to configure that again, you will not able to see anything here.
Mm-hmm.
So features will work on the basis of product options here. So now
Okay.
security patch is comes under software, right? So here is
Okay.
a features lookup created here. You have to type that and select that. What was that? Software.
Software. Okay.
So you can see software is there. Now I will click on save, and cable comes under hardware. Adapter comes under essentials. Amazon Prime comes under software. Netflix comes under software. Power bank will come under
Hardware.
essentials, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So now what will happen? Any idea?
Now, as per the features, I think the values will segregate.
Yes, correct. So now if I select that product here, what will happen is you can see
Mm.
software, and that minimum one was required. So it is showing at least you have to select one. And in the
Okay.
essential, it is showing at least you have to select one. But it is on the users if I don't want anyone. So how he will save? If I click on save, it will show an error. Let's see. You can see, right? Too few
Mm.
feature of in the essentials. So you have to select anyone. So you want to remove this error message. So how will you handle that? So again, you have to
Both
go.
of them we can take that value minimum one.
So I will select minimum as a 0.
Yeah. Yeah.
Set. Okay.
Okay.
So any person either wants to buy or not, it's up to him. So now if I again go to click on save here, you can see there is no warning message appearing here like you have to select at least one.
Mm.
Right. So try to create this bundle. So now let's say one more thing. So let's say you can see it is bundled. So now this quantity of S22 Ultra is only you are not able to select the quantity of S22 Ultra here.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting any options here? No.
No.
So let's say you want to buy two power, uh, one power bank, right? And
Mm-hmm.
now, if I click on save here, you can see all the quantity filled on the quote line of a child product is logged. One,
Mm.
And see, there is a lock icon here.
Yeah.
You cannot edit the quantity on a quote line page. You have to
Oh,
go to the product features configurator page.
okay.
But you can upgrade the quantity of a parent product on a quote line. So let's say I want to buy two phones, two ultra phone here. So you can see all the quantities getting updated except the power bank.
Hmm.
And why it is happened?
Because it's not required for the, like, it's not a sub-product of the Samsung.
It is, you can see I've configured it is a part of a power phone. So I saw you one features. You can see here. I told you about this field type.
Accessory.
Yes, accessories means it is independent of the parent product quantity,
Okay.
and you can see this. This is known as component. What does component do? It will update the same quantity as of parent
Parent
product quantity.
product.
So if I select 5 here, all the product having till adapter will update it with a quantity of 5. But
Okay.
the power bank, you can see it is only one.
So if you
This
want to edit this power bank, then we have to go back and then we need to edit, right?
again we have to configure that.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I think this is it for today. So do you have any questions and any confusions and anything related to it? You
No,
can
as
ask.
of now, yeah, I was clear about today's session.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So do you have any doubts?
No, as of now.
Okay. So you can see bundle product and features. I covered these two part today, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So what you do if you got a free time, do one
Okay.
thing, make a note of all these product